Did you know that 32 million businesses are required to file a beneficial ownership information report as part of some new legislation that just went into effect this year? It's called a BOI report for short. And it also has some pretty stiff penalties if a company is out of compliance. It's $591 per day. To make matters worse, most small business owners don't have access to a licensed attorney and don't understand the complexities that come with BOI reporting. We see that more than 35% of BOI reports are filed incorrectly or with complete information that puts their business at risk. At CTA Integrity, we've helped thousands of businesses file their BOI reports and become compliant with these new requirements. As part of our done for you service, our legal experts and attorneys have developed a very comprehensive process that ensures that a BOI report is accurate and complete and free of errors. So today we're going to show you exactly how to file your BOI report on your own without having to become a legal or compliance expert. We're going to share with you the same process, the same tools, and the same procedures that we follow to make sure that a BOI report is accurate and complete and free of errors. That way, when you go to file your BOI report, you can have peace of mind of knowing that your business is protected. So click below to get started today.